Hello again, my amazing learners. Welcome back to Basic 1000 English Words. You are making incredible progress today. You now know 300 useful words. Today we'll focus on family and people. Family is where love begins every single day. People are who we meet every day. We meet parents, friends, classmates, and neighbors daily. Knowing these words helps you talk about people. These words help you talk about the people in your life every day. So think about your family right now. Think about your best friend too. Think about the people around you every day. Let's learn together and make English fun. Let's make English part of your daily life today. Family words are very important. Mother is the woman who takes care of you every day. Mother. Say it with me, mother. Father is the man who takes care of you always. Father. Repeat after me, father. Parent means mother or father in your family. Parent. Say it clearly, parent. Child is a young boy or girl in families. Child. Let's repeat together, child. Son is a male child of loving parents. Son. Say it with me, son. Daughter is a female child of loving parents. Daughter. Repeat after me, daughter. Brother is a boy or man with same parents. Brother. Say it clearly, brother. Sister is a girl or woman with same parents. Sister. Let's practice together, sister. Family is parents and children living together happily. Family. Say it with me, family. Friend is a person you like and trust always. Friend. Repeat after me, friend. Neighbor is a person who lives near your house. Neighbor. Say it clearly, neighbor. Teacher is a person who helps you learn things. Teacher. Let's repeat together, teacher. Student is a person who learns at school daily. Student. Say it with me, student. People means many persons in one place together. People. Repeat after me, people. Baby is a very young child in families. Baby. Say it clearly, baby. Man is an adult male person you meet. Man. Let's repeat together, man. Woman is an adult female person you meet. Woman. Say it with me. Woman. Boy is a young male child you know. Boy. Repeat after me. Boy. Girl is a young female child you know. Girl. Say it clearly. Girl. Person means one human being you can meet. Person. Let's practice together. Person. Now let's practice these words in simple sentences together. My mother is kind to me every day. Mother shows love. This is my best friend at school today. Friends are special people. I live with my family in our house. Family stays together. The teacher helps students learn new things every day. Teachers are important. My brother and sister play games with me. Siblings have fun together. Our neighbor is a very nice person always. Neighbors can be friends. People walk in the park every morning together. Many people enjoy parks. The baby sleeps in the warm bed peacefully. Babies need lots of sleep. Let's review these important family words once more together. Mother, father, parent. These are the adults who care. Child, son, daughter, these are the young family members. Brother, sister, family, these connect us with love always. Friend, neighbor, teacher, student, these are people we meet. People, baby, man, woman, boy, girl, person, different types. Say these words out loud every day this week. Practice makes you better. Use these words when talking about your own family. Make English personal. Excellent job today. You now know 320 words in our journey together. You're building a strong English foundation every single day now. Keep going! Now try these examples every day this week at home. My mother is kind. This is my best friend. I live with my family. Tell someone today, who is the most important person in your life? Think about your answer in English words you learned. Practice speaking English. Next lesson, we'll explore 20 useful words about the body and health. These body words will help you talk about yourself. Health words are important. Keep practicing every day with family and friends around you. You're doing great! You're building a strong English foundation every single day. Keep learning together. Thank you for learning with me today, amazing students. See you next lesson!